På safety on board-kortet som ligger i stolen framfor dere. Vennligst ta fram kortet og gjør deg kjent med innholdet. Bidragsflygninger er røykfrie, og røykeforbudet gjelder også på flyets toalett. Dette gjelder også elektroniske sigaretter. Ta gjerne kontakt med kabinbesetninger om dere har spørsmål. Takk for oppmerksomheten. Vi ønsker dere hyggelig reise. Before takeoff, we would like to focus on safety. Please pay close attention. Electronic devices may be used as long as flight mode is activated. Large electronic devices must be switched off and placed in your hand luggage during takeoff and landing. Please store your hand luggage under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. In the unlikely event of an emergency evacuation, leave all your luggage behind. Raise your seat bag, cup holder and tray table to an upright position and open the window blind. Fasten your safety belt. For safety reasons, we recommend that you keep your safety belt fastened whenever seated. All our safety information is shown on the safety on board card placed in the seat pocket in front of you. Please make yourself familiar with its content. There is a life vest in a bag under your seat. The emergency exits in the rear and forward part of the cabin are all marked with exit signs. The way to these exits will be shown by lights along the floor. Look for your nearest exit. All our flights are non-smoking flights, and for safety reasons, smoking is never allowed in the aircraft lavatory. This includes electronic cigarettes. Please do not hesitate to contact the cabin crew if you have any questions. Thank you for your attention. We wish you a pleasant flight.